Hello po, Direk! Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Direk! We're really thankful to have you as our director and also our second father's production na masarap magluto, yes. Kahit hindi ako matinong kausap minsan sa production, but I'm really serious. You're an effective director na maalaga. That's why we're really thankful to have you. You always make sure na we're fine and we're doing good in acting. And also, palaging may fun sa production, but with respect pa rin. That's why I pray na all of your wishes and dreams in life will come true, especially para sa family mo and para din sa mga anak-shis mo. Manifesting Disneyland. I hope we can make more memories, more bonding together with Aspire, and sabay-sabay tayong sumakses sa buhay at sa career. Thank you, Direk. Happy birthday!
Hi, Direk Marlon. Abra here. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. And gusto ko lang din po magpasalamat sa'yo dahil dun sa mga tips na binibigay niyo sa akin as an actor. Especially kapag merong time na ang off ng acting ko. So talagang na-appreciate ko yung mahabang pagsasabi niyo sa akin kapag pinagsasabihan niyo ako dahil nakakuha talaga ako ng insight. So parang ginagamit ko siya as motivation to improve myself kasi I know na sobrang dami ko pang hindi alam in terms of acting, maraming mga style, maraming mga tone of voice. Yung pagiging low, especially kapag galit, nahirapan ako sa kontrabida pero parang binibigyan niyo ako ng chance to improve that by telling what I need to learn in terms of acting. And ayun lang po, gusto ko lang talaga magpasalamat dahil meron ding times na ayun, pinagdadalhan niyo kami ng food sa headquarters, so talagang nag-aabala pa po kayo with your wife. Thank you also to your wife also. And pati merienda, binibigyan nyo kami ng merienda. So talagang nararamdaman po namin yung care. Ganon. So, ayun, aside from that, thank you rin po pala dahil hindi po kayo ganun ka strict. I mean, may mga ibang director na talagang sobrang sungit, sobrang nagagalit kapag hindi nila nakukuha yung gusto nilang makuha. Tapos yung iba, sabi nga ng ibang veteran actors na nambabato pa yung iba. Pero yung dating sa inyo is light yung gusto natin gawin. Pero syempre hindi light yung acting. Pero light tayo sa set kapag nag-work. So, madalas may tawanan, may biruan. So, na-appreciate ko lang din po yun. And ayun, I'm hoping to work with you po ng mas mahaba pa dahil alam kong marami pa akong kailangan matulungan and I'm grateful na kayo po yung director po namin dito sa Aspire Motion Pictures. Again, happy birthday and sana po more projects na magkaroon po tayo at also po sa inyo. Sana mas marami po tayo magawa na film, mas marami po kayo magawa na film kahit di po kasama pero more projects, more blessings to come. Ayun lang po. Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday to our dearest Derek Lon. Words can express how much I appreciate you. I know I can be hard on myself and that I don't always deliver my best performance, but your patience and understanding mean the world to me. Thank you for seeing the potential in me, even when I doubt myself. I hope your special day is filled with love and laughter. The other hand, more than just a director, you become the father figure I've always longed for. Your belief in me has given me strength and confidence both on and off the set. The guidance and the wisdom you've shared have shaped me into a better artist and a better person. Thank you for filling a void in my life and for always being there with an open arms. Your words of encouragement and unwavering support are a constant source of inspiration. And I admire your passion for storytelling and your dedication to your craft. You inspire me to push myself beyond my limits and to never give up on my dreams. May this day bring you all the joy and happiness you deserve, Derek. Once again, happy birthday, and I wish you a good health, continued success, and many more years of touching lives through your work. May your birthday be a celebration of all that you are, a brilliant director, a mentor, and a true father figure. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, Derek Lon, and once again, Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Direk Lon. Maraming salamat po sa lahat, sa paggabay po sa amin, lalo na po sa akin, sa mga feedback nyo po para po mag-improve kami. Naalala ko po nung first shooting po natin sa headquarters, sabi nyo po, pag gusto namin yung ginagawa namin, dun kami yayaman. That don't ever think about money kasi kung gusto mo talaga yung ginagawa mo, darating yung pera. At dun ko po na-realize na nasa mga tamang tao kami, sa mga taong gusto yung ginagawa nila, kaya mas gumaganda po yung resulta. Wish ko lang po para sa inyo ay marami pa po kayong magawang meaningful craft at marami pa po kayong people to inspire. At isa na po ako doon, kami. Thank you po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hello po, this is Mary and happiest birthday po pala sa aming director na si Marlon Española. So, ang masasabi ko po ay kahit di ko po kayo lubusang kilala, I know for sure na you are the first director I've known that does his work well and creative and meaningful talaga. So, that's why as the Aspire artist, I'm so thankful to all the things you've done for us, guiding us even on the first day ng set ng film. You were patient to us kahit namin pagkakamali kami. But that's why we've learned from that mistake. We've improved so much, so it's all thanks to you that we've improved so much talaga since then. So, hindi ko na po patatagalin ito. I really wish you all the best, a long life. So, God bless and have a great day po. Thank you.
Hello po, Direk. Happy birthday po, Direk Lon. And I hope you are healthy and complete family po. And enjoy your special day and more birthday to come po.
Happiest birthday celebration po, Direk. Thank you for your understanding and patience sa amin doing my shooting. And thank you for your kindness and your advices po sa amin. And personally, sa mga natutunan ko that I always keep in mind and into my heart na mga advices whenever we are in front of a camera and sa life advices na binigay nyo nga po. Thank you po sa ganun. Thank you for sharing your experiences to us. It's a really valuable wisdom and knowledge na nakuha ko po sa inyo. And yeah, thank you for being so humble. Yun po yung nakita ko. And yeah, sa bagong kabanata nga po ng inyong buhay, may this be full of laughter, smile, gratitude, and I pray and I bless you na may God pour out His blessings to you and to your family. Na may He surprise you even more and give you good health and protection always. And may He also grant your heart's desires. Again, may God surprise you sa araw po na ito and may you really experience His love and goodness in your life. Yun lamang po. Happy birthday!
Hi, Direk! Happy birthday po at maraming salamat sa walang sawang paggabay at patuloy na pag-inspire po sa amin. Laking pasalamat ko po at napakabait niyo pong tao. Naalala ko po nung first short film, nung yung title ng Sa Dilim ay May Liwanag po. At first, naiyak po talaga ako. Pero umiyak din po ako after dahil nahiya po talaga ako. At grabe, baka kasi natatakot din po kasi ako na pag magkamali ako, papagalitan niyo po ako ng malala. So, which is hindi naman po. Like, okay, tama lang pala. Like, okay lang pala na magkamali, ganito, ganyan. Kinokorek niyo po kung ano yung mga kailangan kong gagawin. And also, yung sa Christmas ID station po. Grabe po yung pasensya niyo po. Kahit pinaulit-ulit niyo pong yung pagkanta sa amin, papakanta sa amin. Grabe. Thank you so much, Direk. So, sobrang haba ng pasensya niyo po. At sa mga napanood ko po sa FB, sa TikTok, sa IG, ng mga short reels, at saka yung series po sa FB, napakaganda po yung flow. At saka may character development po each ng character. As in, maganda po talaga yung and sana isa ko sa cast soon. So, I'm so excited to work with you, Direk, soon po. And I hope na okay lang ang flow natin doon. And again, happy birthday po. More blessings to come and more candle to blow po. God bless and enjoy your special day, Tere. Thanks.
Happy birthday po sa aming magaling na direktor na si Direk Marlon. Salamat po sa lahat sa pagiging patient sa akin. And I'm wishing you po a happy birthday na kasama niyo po ang inyong pinakamalapit na kaibigan at mga pamilya. Wishing you po more blessings for your present as well as your future. And once again, a happy birthday po. I'm wishing you a great health.
Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na. Ilang taon ka na. Jeez. Kidding aside, happy birthday to our Direk Lon. Birthday niya ngayon, guys. Batihin niyo, okay? So, thank you so much, Direk, sa pag-aalaga sa amin. And like, may your day filled with laughter and joy. And I wish na you will have more and more projects to come.
Hello po, Direk! Surprise! Happy birthday po! At saka wish ko, good health and more project to come.
Hi, Direk! Happy birthday po! Today is special day. So, I'm wishing you more birthday to come. Stay humble, stay pogi, and stay healthy as always po. Bilang actress po, sobrang thankful po kami na nakilala po namin yung isang katulad mo. Kasi po, bilang inspiring actors po nagagawa mo pong maging humble and at the same time strict po pagdating sa mga actingan po. Kasi po, Direk, bihira lang po yung ganyan director na nagiging mabait po pagdating sa mga acting or paggawa po ng film. Pero ikaw, nagagawa mo po at the same time. Sobrang thankful po kami sa lahat ng advice mo. Hindi ka lang po isang direct, kundi isang tatay ka na po pagdating sa amin. Kasi nga po, nagagawa mo po mag-advise sa amin pagtapos ng film. At saka po lahat po ng advice nyo sinasaulo po namin, hindi sinasaulo labas dito. Kasi po lahat ng advice niyo po sa amin pasok po talaga sa puso, pati sa utak. Kasi po lahat yon makakailangan po namin sa future po. If gusto po namin ipagpatuloy ang pagiging artist po. So, ayun lang po lahat, Direk. Sana po mas madaming project pa po yung makamit po natin, maging successful po lahat ng future project po natin. That's all lang po, Direk. Happy birthday po and your special day po ulit. Love you!
Happy birthday po, Direk Lon. I wish more project to come.
Happy and blessed birthday to you, Direk. I just wish na ma-enjoy mo yung day mo today. And ayun, more birthdays to come. I also pray for your happiness, peace, and good health. Hindi lang sa'yo, pati sa buong family mo. And ayun, thank you kasi nakatrabaho kita. And you're very patient sa akin. Kahit na minsan makulit, ayun, very patient and professional talaga sa set. And we're really happy na ikaw yung director namin kasi you're really good and creative to work with. Ayun lang. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Hi, Direk. I just wanted to say a happy birthday to you po. My wish for you is to have a good health and strong body. And I hope po sana hindi po kayo magkasakit. And I just want to say din po na thank you po sa mga advice na binibigay ninyo sa amin. Sobrang big help po yun. And always be healthy. Always take care of yourself po. God bless po. Bye-bye. And happy birthday po ulit.
Hello, Direk. Happy birthday po. And praying na marami pa pong dumating na projects sa inyo. And alam ko po na ang ating mga young artists ay proud and thankful na kayo po yung naging director nila. And see you again, Direk. Happy birthday po muli.